Another episode of... Yeah, that's right. I'm your captain, Edward Teach, and this is my vessel, the Queen Anne's Revenge. And we're going to be sailing the high seas today looking for what?
Free plants.
And how are we going to get them?
Landscape debris piles.
That's right, y'all. Today is landscape debris pickup day and trash day in our community. So we are going to sail around in our golf cart here looking for free plants. But we're not the only ones out to get the free plants. Who else is there?
The British Royal Navy.
The British Royal Navy, aka the Waste Management Landscape Debris Trucks. They'll come along and crush up all of the good plants if we don't get to them. But we're prepared. We got 2 bins here. It's actually pretty light outside considering how early it is. What time? It's only like 6 o'clock.
It's 6:17.
Yeah, so we're lucky it's finally getting light outside. So we're gonna get going down the road here before those the plant crushers get to everything, and we'll get back with everybody when we get something good. All right, we're cruising along here. We were just talking about it. It's nice and light outside. The windshield's not fogging up. We're not cold, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's ideal conditions. So I have a good feeling about today. We're gonna go down some of these streets and hopefully we'll get some good stuff. All right, we got a prize here. What we got, kiddo?
I think it's the Golden Capella Schefflera.
Yep, you got it. The Gold Capella Schefflera. And this one is super duper easy to root from cuttings, so we'll save some of them from the trash for sure. Alright, so here is some beautiful variegated shell ginger. You can see there's flowers on it. Unfortunately,
this is not something we can root from cutting.
Yeah, we can root other gingers from cuttings, but not shell gingers, so we're going to leave this one here. Alright, kiddo, what we got? What we got? That's right. Hawaiian golden pothos. Oh, it's a nice little vine too. And this is one, it's super easy. I don't want to say root from cuttings, but all we got to do is bury a section of this vine.
Or throw it on the ground.
Yeah, and it'll root, so we'll save that one from the trash. Alright, I think we've pointed this house out before. This guy is definitely like the fun guy in the neighborhood, but he just got a new toy. Look at that.
Look at his boat.
That is so killer.
It's like 35 feet.
I know. How do we become friends with this guy? That's what I want to know. You know what the best kind of boat is, right?
What?
Somebody else's boat. Your best friend's boat. That's the best kind of boat. So we need to befriend this guy. He's got the boat. He's got the golf carts. Oh man, look at this.
He's got the Corvette.
He's got the Corvette. Oh man, oh man. I gotta figure out who that guy is. All right, I almost flew past this, but Teddy spotted some good stuff. What you got, kiddo?
Snake plant and aloe.
Sweet. Does the aloe have roots?
Yeah, look.
All right, grab it up. The snake plant is a Dracaena. Oh, and it has roots, but you can root snake plant without roots. But we'll grab both of these and save them from the trash. There goes our competition right down the road. See him, Teddy?
Yeah.
We beat him. All right, what we got? What we got?
Plumeria and Song of India.
All right, let me see that Song of India first. This variegated Song of India. This is an easy one to root from cuttings.
Well, there's a lot of it actually.
Sweet. And then it looks like there's some beautiful plumeria cuttings here. You got to pull one of those out and show everybody. Yeah. Wow, look at the leaves and the flowers and everything.
This one is
oh, look at that. What a specimen. Holy cow, that's beautiful. And this will root from cuttings real easy. We're definitely going to save that from the trash. All right, we got a couple interesting things here. Teddy, I think you're right. What's up there at the top?
an orchid.
Yep, I think he's got a ground orchid there. We'll see. Bring it over here. Yeah, I think that's a ground orchid. This is a super easy one to get going. In fact, it even has some roots here. We'll definitely save that.
And then, the more exciting one.
Yes, and then we spotted right, where is it? Right here. Looks like a Caribbean agave.
Yeah.
Some kind of agave. I think it's a Caribbean agave. Careful, it is spiky. Oh yeah, that has roots though. Oh yeah, let me show everybody. Nice. Look at the variegated leaves. Nice. So we'll definitely save that too. All right, we had to stop just to get a picture of this desert rose. It is just full of flowers.
You think it's out in the trash?
No, I don't think so.
It's right by the trash can?
I don't think so, but it is beautiful. Oh my goodness, look at all the flowers on it. That's just awesome. What we got, kiddo?
Ficus.
Yeah, we got some sorry looking ficus cuttings here, but ficus is super easy to root from cuttings. Super duper easy, and it grows like crazy. You can see this one right here behind Teddy. It's huge. But anyways, we'll save a couple of these cuttings from the trash. All right, we got a giant pile of bromeliads. Oh, look at that. There's 2 different kinds. Look right down by your foot.
Whoa!
Yep, grab it up.
This kind.
Yes. Oh man, look at that. Yank it out, kiddo.
So it's a little buried by these. So.
Yeah, so we got these plain green ones, which, believe it or not, probably have real pretty flowers.
Prettier than that one.
It may be, yeah. So we'll load these up first. There you go. All right, and then get that prize in there.
Yeah,
I want to see that one. Bring it up here. I want to see it. Oh, look at that.
There's a lot.
Come here, bring it over here. Oh, look at that. That is killer. Oh, heck yeah. That is such a good find. We're definitely going to save that for the trash. All right, we almost drove away here, and then Teddy spotted what?
Mother-in-law plant.
Yeah, I think it's also called Chinese evergreen. This one's so cool, though. It has, like, camo-looking leaves on it. Let me show everybody. Get one with a real nice leaf.
Yeah. It's kind of far back, so it's hard.
Yeah, look at that, though. Look at this variation on that. That is killer. Oh, and it's got roots, too. All right, sweet. We'll definitely save some of those from the trash. All right, we made it back.
Yeah.
It's still early. It's not even 7:30 yet.
Yeah, I know.
And we had a banner day, didn't we?
Oh, yeah.
I mean, I feel like we got a lot of good stuff.
Yeah, bulk, too.
Yeah. Teddy and I were a little worried because we're kind of getting to the season where all the snowbirds fly back to wherever they come from. And because of that, a lot of times there's not a lot of yard stuff out. People aren't maintaining their yards anymore.
But maybe the landscapers maintain it.
Yeah. Maybe that's what it was. Yeah, I don't know, but we seem to have gotten a lot of good stuff today. So let's go ahead and show everybody what we got.
Let's start with this bin. We got the Chinese evergreen or mother-in-law plant.
Yes. So I just love this one. We have this one planted already, but it is so cool. The variegated leaves on it. I think it's so funny. People pay like big money for variegated monstera and stuff, and then you can get a killer plant like this for nothing.
Yeah.
I see why people do it, though. We're plant lovers, too. I want one. We don't have one.
Well, it's just because you don't have one.
I know. Well, that still makes me want it. I don't know what to say.
Okay.
Oh, we got a lot of this Chinese evergreen now.
Yeah.
All right, what's next, kiddo?
A false agave, a Caribbean agave?
Yeah, I think it's a Caribbean agave. So this one looks pretty pathetic, but it will bounce back.
Yeah, I'm looking at it too. Is it just tiny or is it a smaller leaf variety?
No, I think it's just a smaller one. But, we've gotten other agaves out of the trash. We got to show this one. We've shown it before, but we got this one out of the trash right here. This just magnificent specimen. This is a different kind of agave. But it was a little crushed and crumpled when we got it, and it just shot right back to life.
This leaf actually was crushed and crumpled like this one, and it filled back up.
Yeah, and you can see it just is a beautiful plant now.
Look at the spikes, though.
Yeah, and like all agaves, including the one we just got, they are very prolific. So you can see here, it's shooting off tons of new pups here. And all you got to do is rip these out of the ground, and boom, you got a new plant right there. Super cool. I can't just let that one die now. So I'm gonna put this over in my nursery over here, and we'll pot it up, maybe plant it somewhere. You can see I have other ones potted here. Here's some back here, and then here's some more of these Caribbean agave. All right, kiddo, let's show them what else we got.
Yeah.
we got lots of good stuff here.
We also got this golden capella.
Yes, the gold Capella schefflera.
I almost got it mixed up with the golden Hawaiian poppers.
Yeah, no, you got it right though.
Yeah.
So that's a super easy one to root from cuttings. Probably one of the easiest plants. That and the ficus.
Speaking of ficus.
Yeah, here we go. The rubber tree. I mean, we've had 100% success rate with the rubber tree and with schefflera. I mean, literally, you just poke it in the ground. That's all you got to do. You don't need root simulant or anything like that.
Yeah. Okay, we got deeper in the bin. We've got some ground orchid.
Yes, we got this ground orchid here, and this one, it's all green right now, but sometimes the leaves, yeah, you can see here, they have a little purple to them.
It's green because it's in shade.
Yeah, but they get some purple in their leaves too, and this one's super easy to plant. It has roots, which is lucky, but if it didn't have roots, if we just had this stem right here, if you just bury the stem, it will most likely root. And it makes a good ground cover.
Okay, this one, I was really surprised when we found it, and a lot of it too. This variegated Song of India.
Yeah, the Song of India. So Song of India can be, you know, just like everything we're showing you here, it can be planted from cuttings, but it's real slow to take in a pot. You'll stick this, you could stick this piece in the ground and it'll look like this for months. It won't lose any leaves, but it also won't grow any roots. I mean, for quite a while, but it will root from cuttings. And it's just such a pretty...
I'm sure if we buy one with roots already, it'll probably grow faster.
Yeah, it's such a pretty plant though. Let's go show them this one real quick that's wrapped around the banana over here.
Oh yeah, that one's so cool.
Yeah, we planted one. Well, take me to it, kiddo. We planted one over here somewhere from cuttings from one of our other Plant Pirates episodes, and it's since grown up, and it's like wrapped itself around. Yeah, it's wrapped itself around this banana here. And it's just such a beautiful plant. It's probably sapping some of the nutrients from my banana. I might want to separate them eventually, but what are you looking at?
This.
Oh, look at this. So this is, yep, this is a black Suriname cherry. It's not black yet because it's not ripe yet.
You're not colorblind.
Yeah, it is red, but this will turn like a dark, deep purple, blackish color. And a lot of people don't like Suriname cherries, the red Suriname cherries. They're smaller.
We did a video on that a while back.
We did, yeah, several years ago. Red Suriname cherries are a lot smaller. The fruits are a lot smaller than the black Suriname cherries. And some people just really don't like the taste of them, but...
They taste a little bitter, but they're pretty good.
Yeah, they're all right. They're not my favorite, but I'll eat them. Some people will not eat them whatsoever.
I mean, if I see them on a tree, I'll pick them and eat them.
Yeah, but the black ones are yummy, so we're stoked to have that plant. First year, that one's fruited for us, too.
Yeah. Okay, golden Hawaiian pothos.
All right, got some stragglers with that, but yep, here's our Hawaiian pothos right here. This is a kind of a mildly invasive plant. I mean, it's really only invasive if it's not kept in check. It's easy to keep this one in check, but I've seen some empty lots around here where this is just taken over. It is such a tropical looking plant though. I like growing it up cabbage palms. It's just so pretty.
Giant too.
They do get giant, yeah.
Okay, there's some smaller snake plants.
Oh yeah, you get some little snake plants here. Didn't we get more than this?
I don't know.
I thought we got more snake plants than that.
Too. Oh yeah, it's in this bin.
Oh okay, well we'll get to it, yeah. Okay. Is that everything out of that bin?
Yep.
All right.
So now I guess we'll get the bromeliads.
All right, yeah, we scored. We got a lot of bromeliads. I really like those speckled ones. Are you pulling those out first? Oh man, look at that. I think you got another hitchhiker bromeliad with those. Yeah, look at these little bromeliads right here.
Yeah.
So we got, go ahead and drop it.
3 different varieties.
Yeah, so we can put this one right over here. And then we got this one's obviously our favorite,
Probably
I think.
the fun of the day.
Yeah, probably. But then we did get another kind of bromeliad. You want to yank that out?
Yeah. I kind of pulled one, then 30 came
Yeah.
with it.
Is what it is. Oh, look at them all. Holy cow. Look at that. Holy cow. Look at all.
I'm fine having that much.
Look at all these bromeliads. Holy cow. So that one's definitely my favorite though. You'd be surprised though, sometimes the less prettier bromeliads have the prettiest flowers, so.
Yeah, but they're like, that's like a flower all year.
I know, and right, exactly. This is like a flower all year long.
Basically choose, do you want to cut vase for the dinner table every year?
Or a beautiful plant in your yard the whole time. What are you pulling out there? More?
That was just snake.
More snake plant? Okay. You can see the like tubular roots on these snake plants. This is a Dracaena. You can root this. You can get this to root from cuttings, like if you only had it like this piece forward. But with roots, it will just take off for us. So.
Yeah. This is plumeria.
Oh yeah, it's beautiful.
Yellow. This is the one with the best smell.
It is. So this is the most common, most prolific plumeria in our area, but they do smell just so, they're so fragrant. And this is just such a beautiful cutting.
Yeah,
I mean,
look at that.
Yeah, these are just gorgeous, healthy cuttings. Sometimes we find plumeria basically every week, but sometimes the cuttings are pretty bad. Those are just real healthy cuttings. And we've planted a lot of plumeria from cuttings. Here's one right here that we planted from cuttings. I don't think we have a lot more plumeria in the front garden here. Most of it's in the backyard.
Look at the jasmine.
Yeah, we got this Confederate jasmine right here. You can see the flowers, but it's growing up around the plumeria. It's kind of holding the plumeria up.
Yeah,
Sweet.
it's like a trellis.
Cool. It's like a guide wire.
Yeah.
Wow, look at all these plants already. Holy cow.
One thing left. Couple things left.
All right.
It's aloe. There's aloe.
Is it way down there?
Yeah.
Let's see. Let me see if I can get it out. You got it?
Oh.
Oh, it's a little spiky. Oh, that's a nice aloe plant, though.
And we got another.
Look at that. You got more down there?
Yeah. The dirt has from the weight of the other plants, it's kind of curved around it. And more. Whoa.
Holy cow, look at all of it. You got more? Whoa. Well, that aloe was messy, wasn't it? It made a big mess in my golf cart here, I see. Is that everything?
Yeah.
All right, so we got the aloe. Of course, you know we're going to grab aloe. We use aloe all the time because
I'm going to count everything.
we get sunburnt down here. Look at all these plants. Holy cow.
13.
Yeah, we had a good day today. I honestly was concerned that today might not be our day, but we had a good day today. What do you think the find of the day is? The bromeliad, I'd say so too.
And maybe aloe? I don't know.
Yeah, the aloe is probably the most.
Aloe.
The aloe is probably the most useful plant we got. I would say. I would say by looks, I would give it to this bromeliad. I think we have this variety already.
Yeah, but we have a smaller and a bigger. This is the bigger, and we've only found the bigger in the trash, so it's a little more rare.
Yeah, we try and we do collect plants, obviously, with our hobby here. But we do have a lot of different kinds of bromeliads. But this is just a beautiful one. It almost looks like someone flicked bleach on it or something.
Yeah.
Like all the little spots on it.
Like how they take a paintbrush with paint sometimes.
Man, it's just so cool. It has the striations, and then it has the dots too.
It has the two-sided color leaves, green and purple.
Yeah, that is super cool. Bromeliads are so cool. I admittedly, a couple years ago, my wife loves bromeliads, and I was always like, why do you like bromeliads? I just don't get it. And then one day it hit me just how awesome they are.
Well, we started doing plant pirates.
Is this one, is this the same kind right here? This one looks a little...
Smaller. That's the smaller
Well, also it doesn't have the green on the inside. So this is a similar one. This is one we got out of the trash.
But
Cool.
the reason you didn't like bromeliads is the only ones you'd ever seen were like the green sharp ones.
Yeah, and then the ones they sell at like Home Depot and stuff are kind of all the same. I don't know, but then we started finding some killer ones, and now I'm just obsessed with them.
We've ever bought a bromeliad.
I don't think we have either. Yeah, and we have tons of them. So, all right, y'all. I hope you enjoyed the adventure here today. I know Teddy and I did. It's fun when we actually find stuff. Sometimes we have to go miles and miles and miles to get enough to put an episode of Plant Pirates together. Today it was fun, quick and easy, and we weren't freezing either. So, yeah. All right, y'all. Well, if you have any questions or comments about any of the plants we showed you here, just post down below. If you did enjoy the adventure today, maybe you'd consider subscribing to our family's YouTube channel. And if they don't, what's going to happen, bud?
You're going to get thrown in the trash.
Oh, you're going to get thrown in the trash, and then maybe Teddy and I will find you one day on a Plant Pirates episode and save you. But you could avoid all that and just subscribe to our YouTube channal, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, y'all. Anyways, like I said, if you do have any questions, just post down below. Until next time, everybody out there, take care.
Bye.